In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for hiring candidates. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to clickup.com, and you can see in here this get started, it's free option. And you can just click onto this right here or click onto this sign up option. You also have the option to click onto this login if you would want. In this case, let's head over and then just get started right here. You can input right here your work email if you would want. If you do choose to log in, you'll be presented in here on this screen. In here, you should be able to see your actual ClickUp. So what we can do is we first need to head over and start setup a dedicated recruiting space. I have in here this, so let's click on this plus right here in order to create a new space, and let's name this as recruitment. And then from in there, you can click on continue. You can choose in here the workflow, marketing, project management, or the likes. You can also choose defaults or customize this right here using this part. Now in here, you can just choose some templates that you would want. So for example, right here, I'll just head over and choose in here starter and click on create space. Now, once the space has been created, next thing we need to do is we can actually head over and add in here some timeline templates. So if you wish to use some templates, you can actually add them right here or create a design for that. So in here, you can have in here this, we have our to do, we have in here some imports, as well as some columns that you can actually utilize. So for this, we can actually add in here some tasks, as well as custom fields. For example, let's name this right here as something like application submitted. So name this like that, and you can add in here another space or another list. Let's add in here another list onto this option right there. You can proceed to add a task or add a new list or milestone depending on which one you want. You can also click onto this browse templates, click onto the search, and search in here for recruitment. So using an actual template makes things easier so you don't need to actually start from scratch. Let's choose in here this recruitment action plan. Click on this use templates, and it will show you in here the actual option. You have in here this, you can click on this particular option. And as you can see, this plan has been created. You can proceed to open it, add a description, and the likes onto this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.